Introduction to Computer Systems, Architecture of Computer Systems. Objective to discuss and give a brief introduction to computer hardware. Plan. First, overview of computer systems. Second, evolution of computer systems. And third, architecture and components of computer systems, application of computer systems, and the representation of data in computer systems. A computer is an electronic device that can take input, store it for a required period of time, manipulate it according to a set of instructions, and produce output to the user in a desired form. It performs various operations according to a set of instructions. Computer specifications. One of them is storage. The computer has built-in memory where it can store a large amount of data. This is called primary storage. The primary storage has limited capabilities, but this is very important because the computer's processing unit can only directly act on instructions and data about the primary storage. But you can also store data on secondary storage devices such as floppy disks, which can be stored outside of your computer and can be transferred to other computers. They are called secondary storage. Second, evolution of computer systems. These computers come in different sizes and shapes that perform various functions that are useful in our daily lives. Use the type of computer even if you withdraw cash from ATM or scan products in a store or use a calculator. Computers can be basically divided into four categories as summarized below. Microcomputers, the most common type of computer in society, can be used at your workplace, at school, or as your study desk at home. Used by one user at a time, small in size, also called personal computers. Mini computers used by multiple users. In the middle, when computers range from smallest to largest, used in laboratories. Mainframes, the largest in size, the ability to quickly process and process very large amounts of data. Supercomputer, used to perform complex scientific and numerical calculations such as weather forecasting, fluid dynamics, nuclear simulation, theoretical astrophysics. Third, architecture and components of computer systems, application of computer systems, and representation of data in computer systems. What is computers? You already know that a computer system is made up of several different components. Those that can be seen and touched are called computer hardware or simply hardware. In other words, the physical devices that are involved in the operation of a computer are called its hardware. Computer hardware is generally divided into four main categories: processing devices, memory devices, input and output devices, and storage devices. The central processing unit is an electronic device that runs computer programs, a set of sequential instructions. It's also referred to as the computer's processor or the brain of the computer. There are two main components, namely the control unit and the arithmetic and logic unit. The control unit is a circuit that controls the flow of data through the processor and also coordinates the activities of the other units within it. In a sense, it's a brain in the brain because it controls what goes on inside the processor, which is turn in controls the rest of the PC. Arithmetic and logic unit is a digital circuit that performs arithmetic and logic operations. Control unit, as you know, a computer program, a set of instructions must be stored in memory for the computer to process data. Memory devices, computer memory. A character is stored in a computer as a group of 0 or 1s called a byte.